If you clicked on this video, are you the kind of person who mindlessly cuts fat from every meal, treating fat as the #1 enemy for weight gain and heart disease? Hold on, don't hit like just yet. Today, I'm going to reveal a medical truth that might turn your thinking upside down. The very type of fat you're desperately trying to avoid is, right at this moment, grabbing a broom and going on a cleaning spree inside your blood vessels. Let's first unmask the most unfairly villainized good guy healthy fats. The famous omega-3 and monounsaturated fatty acids. Once they enter your body, they know exactly what to do. Think of your blood vessels as roads. If bad cholesterol is allowed to plaster junk advertisements all over your vessel walls, unsaturated fats will turn into good cholesterol street cleaners of your blood vessels. Their ultimate mission: to sweep all that junk away. They bag it up, trash and all, toss it into the garbage, and ship it back to your liver for recycling. That's how your blood vessels stay clean and elastic. So if you've cut them out to lose weight, who's going to clean up the vessel mess? The real danger is the next character. It doesn't clean, it actually kills the cleaners. It's trans. Not only does it litter inside your blood vessels, but it also takes out those hard-working street sweepers. Look, hidden assassins like the ones in your favorite fried chicken and fries. Over time, they stiffen and weaken your vessels until they can completely shut down. Heart disease, stroke, these are no joke. So what should smart people eat? Read the ingredient labels. Pick fatty fish. Control cooking temperatures. Simple as that. Don't let your taste buds make your body pay the price. Follow me for science-based eating and healthy weight loss.